Welcome. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I am a licensed realtor and probate specialist serving Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. Today, we are talking about what should a seller disclose. I'm so excited, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Does the um, microwave remain? All of these are valid questions that the buyer is going to want to know in order to purchase the home. And if you don't reveal it, or if there's any discrepancy, that can cause problems on closing day, believe me. Another specific that may be on the seller disclosure statement is, does the home have a septic tank? And I can tell you from experience, I remember a woman hiring me to sell her home. Her husband had passed away, and she wanted to sell her home and move to a different state. And when I gave her the seller disclosure statement, she didn't even know if there was a septic tank because her husband handled all of those things. So these are some things that you want to consider if you're in the process of preparing to sell your home. Another thing that I want to point out is, oftentimes, let's say there was a situation with your roof and there was a leak. You'll have to disclose that on the seller disclosure statement, and it may ask, when did the leak occur? And let's say you lived there for 20 years and you don't remember. Well, I like to tell my clients, especially when they purchase a home from me, a good practice would be to keep your receipt. When you had that roof repaired in 2007, save the receipt in a folder or scan it and save it on your computer. That way, when you get ready to sell your home, you'll be able to know exactly when the incident occurred. Awesome. Okay. So it will ask you, let's see what else it'll ask you. It'll ask you, has the home ever flooded? Have there been any septic tank issues? Are there issues with termites? What is the age of the heating and air conditioning units? So these are all things that you may or may not know, but you will have to provide that information on the seller disclosure statement. And as a probate realtor, someone who helps people when they're in the process of selling their loved one home, it doesn't matter that your home is a probate home. You're still going to have to provide this information if you lived in the home. Let's say, let's say you need again a realtor in another state. You can reach out to me, and I have a relationship with several realtors across the country. I'll be glad to assist you with those. So I hope this teaching has been helpful to you on today. Make sure you know what you need to put on the seller disclosure statement. Talk to your realtor, be able to provide the information, and keep good records. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I am a licensed realtor and probate specialist serving Georgia, Florida, and Alabama.